Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It is what makes up everything we see and experience physically, from air and water to stars and planets. Matter is composed of atoms, which are the smallest units of elements, and molecules, which are combinations of atoms bonded together. Let's understand matter in details in this video. As we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. The air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand, everything is matter. Since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings. Early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements: the Panchtattva, air, earth, fire, sky and water. According to these Panchtattva, living or non-living, was made up of these 5 basic elements. Characteristics of matter. Mass. Matter has mass, which is a measure of the amount of stuff in an object. Volume. Matter takes up space, meaning it has a volume. Physical presence. Matter can exist in different forms and states with various physical properties, like hardness or flexibility, and chemical properties, such as reactivity. Let's play with quiz based on matter.